Hi everyone, my name is Yashas. I am from Bhadravati, Shivamoga district. I have joined the Jspiders for mean and month stack course. I have done with pretty much of my course. Every lecturer, every trainer is very humble and very lovable, and HRs are also very lovable and humble. They guide me everything, how to attend the interview, how to answer the questions, and I learned everything from the scratch. Especially Keshav sir, Uday sir, and Bhuvan sir and Sayed sir. Everyone taught me everything that I didn't know, and they taught me everything from the scratch. I didn't know everything. I didn't know anything before joining Jspiders, but the experience was good, and now I have experience for interview. I can face any interview without any hesitation. Yeah, I have some confidence about the interviews. Yeah, I think I can crack any interview from now. Thank you, Jspiders, and thank you everyone there.